Hi, this is Steve. Welcome back to my channel, Scale Model Kit Review. This time I bring you the Deagostini Collectibles American Cars collection, and these are cars number 7 through 10. Join me, will you? And welcome back. I'm super excited to bring you the next installment of these cars number 7 through 10 from Deagostini Collectibles, the American Cars collection. And number 7 car, the first one we'll look at, is the Pontiac GTO, the Judge, 1969. Next is number 8, the Plymouth Hemi Cuda, 1971. Number 9 is the Chevrolet Corvette C3, 1968. And lastly, the Ford Gran Torino Sport, 1972. I'm changing it up a little bit. I'm going to make this almost like a live feed without any cuts. I'm going to go straight through and show you all of these. I may cut out some of the stuff that's really not needed just to shorten the video and keep the video as short and as sweet as possible for you. So let's look at the magazines here first real quick. Here they are, all four issues, and I'm going to keep it short and sweet. I'm not going to go through all the pages here. You'll have to subscribe to do that for yourself, but the pages are nice and glossy. Great articles here, the history of the cars themselves brought in, technical sheets about the cars, and a little bit what was going on during that time frame when the car was out. So that's how that goes. So we did get one for the Judge. The Plymouth Hemi Cuda was next, number 8. And then the Chevrolet C3 Corvette from 1968. The Stingray, I love that version of the Corvette. And then the Gran Torino Sport, 1972. So let's go ahead and look at the cars here. But first, I did receive a gift with this pack number 3 that I received. And your gift could vary. So go over to Deagostini Collectibles and see what gifts are offered for you at the time when you subscribe. So like I was saying, yours could be different. But I did get the Cadillac Dorado 1976, and that's a convertible. And that's beautiful. That's fantastic there. We'll look at that again when I get done reviewing the rest of the cars. So remember, all these cars are 1/43rd scale, a lot larger than what you're used to seeing with the 1/64th that some of the other companies come out with. Those are a lot tinier. You know, they're really small cars. All right, so let's look at the Pontiac GTO to Judge. Now, they do come nicely wrapped and protected, and obviously licensed by General Motors. Very cool here. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. And I may cut all this out. But fantastic here. All right, I'm back. Let's get a close-up here. Very nice here. It has a black interior. The graphics is fantastic. It has the Judge on the front of the front quarter panel. The fender there, GTO. Looks like the background looks a lot like Chicago. It's hard to tell there though. And facts about the car are located on the back. This car cost $4,500 when it was brand new. So I want to take this cover off. Do that and give you a close-up view. It even comes with the antenna. So that's it right there. Beautiful. License plate. I'd love to have one of these. Rear spoiler. Looks like the dual exhaust is underneath it. Very nice. All right, let me get the next car out. And here's the next car. I'll go ahead and take it out of its wrapper so we can get a closer look. Here's the Plymouth Hemi Cuda from 1971 as it looks in its case. Fantastic here. I love the lime green. The shaker hood on top has a black interior. The Hemi striping on the sides, of course. Background gives us a little country background there in the case. And this car, brand new, was $3,850. Let's go ahead and take it out of the case and give you a close-up of the car. Fantastic there. Really nice. I love the antenna on it too. Looks like Missouri license plate on it. Very cool, right? Of course, nice there too. Dual exhaust coming out the back. Very nice. So let's go ahead and look at the next car, car number 9. And here's car number 9 in its protective wrapper. I'll go ahead and take it out. We'll get a closer look. And here's the Stingray Corvette from 1968, the C3. This is black, has a black interior. Very nice there. Looks like we have a scenery from New Mexico in the background there. This car sold for $6,200 back in the day. Very nice. Take it out. Give you a closer look. Gloss black, very nice. The wheels actually represent the wheels that were on the Corvette back in the day. I love the little antenna back there. Stingray has always been my favorite car as far as the Corvettes go. Just a beautiful car. Fantastic. Okay, let's look at the next car, and that will be the last car, car number 10. And here's car number 10, and looks very cool there. I'll go ahead and take it out of its wrapper and we'll get a closer look. And there it is, the 1972 Ford Gran Torino. I love this one too. It also is almost like a lime green color with the lighter striping on it. I love the graphics on this. This is, was the Gran Torino of the day, the color that everybody really wanted on the car. Looks like we have an ocean side there. Could be the Oregon coast there. This car sold for $4,500 back in the day. Let's take this out. And there's a close-up of it. Does have a black interior. Graphics is very nice on this. The grille looks fantastic there. This is nice. And once again, dual exhaust. Looks like the California license plates are on this. So there you go. That's fantastic. Let me bring over the gift that I received. So I need to cut this open. And there it is. So I love these cars. This is kind of I would say a bronze colored or copper color metallic to it. I love how the hubcaps kind of match it. Convertible top, has a tan interior. I love that. Love the interior on it. Look at the Cadillac symbol up front. I mean, it's really, really detailed there. Very nice. Headlights of the Cadillac. Dual exhaust in the back. California plates. Wow. This is impressive. I love the 1/43rd scale on these. Not too large and not too small. And I have a limited shelf space indeed, so these are perfect for what I collect. I have a very large die-cast collection. You've already seen a little bit of that. So there you go. So let's bring them all out so you can have a look at them. And there you have it. That's pack number 3 with all 4 cars that I received. The Pontiac GTO, the Judge, the Hemi Cuda, the Chevrolet Corvette, and the Gran Torino. And of course, the gift was a Cadillac Dorado. So stand by for pack 4, which is coming up very soon. Thank you for watching, everybody. Head over to Deagostini Collectibles and subscribe to this collection today. It's fantastic, and I know you'll enjoy it. So with that, I put a link and a promo code down below. The promo code is American Cars. And of course, hit the link so that way Deagostini knows you watched my video. It helps me out and it helps them out. Happy modeling, everybody, and take care.